Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Okay, if you landed here, you probably landed here because you were searching for a way to make money online. That's how you ended up on my page. My page is an affiliate marketing page. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I basically promote other people's products or services, and I make a commission for referring others to the products or services. I also show you guys systems and tools you can use to be successful in whatever business you're in to help promote that business, okay? I'm big on systems and tools, okay? Also, not just promoting products and services, but you need to know how to get leads, how to get sales. Okay, you got to have the tools and the training. Okay, so that's probably how you ended up landing here. With that being said, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so Easy Profit 100 is a direct mail program. It can be marketed online or offline. Okay. The company has been around 7 years. I've been an affiliate part-time for the company for 3 years, okay? As you can see here, if you've been following me, they have a brand new website. Everything has been redone. It looks great, okay? This is a great opportunity. I wish I would have found something like this when I came online 2011, something very simple. Instead of trying to just jump out and try to learn internet marketing and waste it, 2 years, just failing miserably trying to figure that stuff out, okay? It took a while to do that. But this is the perfect opportunity. Even if you're seasoned, it's a great way to make some additional income, hands off. If you want to just mail cards, you can do that. We also show you how to market this online as well, but very simple system. It's only $149 to get started in this program. No monthly fees, one time, $149. It's going to include a back office, okay, so you can track your sales, okay. You're going to have a web page, okay, so that you can market this online. And when you join for that $149, you're also going to receive 120 leads, okay, that you're going to be able to use to put on your postcards, okay? So let me just kind of thumb through the page. It's brand new. It's been revamped. As you can see right here, here's a video. That's the owner, Art Rayburn. You can join right here. So I like how they have changed this up. Okay, so it kind of stands out, but it's not too hypey and overwhelming, okay? It states everything that I just mentioned that you're going to get, your website. So $149, guys, to start a home-based business is just unreal, okay? A real home-based business where you really don't have to speak to anyone if you don't want to, okay? And what I like, too, is when you mail the cards, if you do the offline marketing, anyone can actually join the program whether they have a computer or not. That's what I like about it. So you don't have to worry about mailing, and if someone doesn't have a computer, they still can join because they will return the postcard. There's a return address on the card. They mail it back in. It tells them on the card to send $2, I believe, $2 or $3 to get more information, and information packet will be mailed to them, okay? And your username is on the card, so they'll know who to pay. The company pays commissions once a week, okay? And you can track all this in your back office, so you never have to wonder, did you get a sale, when you're getting paid, any of that stuff, because you can log into your back office and check it out. You can get the name of the person and their email of who joined you, okay? You also will be notified via email. When you receive a commission, you're going to get an email from the company instantly, okay, to say that you got a commission. You just earned a commission. And they've changed it now where you instantly set up. Once you pay, you're going to have instant access to go ahead and access your account, okay? So it's a reverse two-up, guys. A reverse two-up, the way it's set up is you're going to make your first sale you get, you're going to keep. The second sale will be passed up. The third sale you will keep. And the fourth sale will be passed up. That's the reverse two-up comp plan. It's real simple. There are no levels with this. That's it. That's how it works. So everybody that comes in will have to pass up 2 sales, okay? And it's going to be automated. The system is programmed to pass those sales up. So you don't have to worry about figuring that out, any of that, okay? So, horizontal pay line, okay, all the way across. And you're going to get those $100 commissions passed up. Just imagine that, you know, 2 people is going to be passed up to you, and those 2 people are going to have to pass up 2 to you as well. And that's how it works. It just keeps going on and on that way until infinity, okay? So it's a tidal wave, just like it says. Unlimited $100 commissions, okay? So very simple. And again, you can do this online, guys. If you don't want to mail the postcards, you can market it online. We'll show you how to do that. But the postcards are very reasonable. You can get the postcards. You can get 1,000 postcards for $72. Okay, I think it's like $72.95. Okay, very reasonable. Okay, and then your stamps will be 35 cents because you're going to get postcard stamps. Remember that it's postcard stamps, not your regular first class stamps. That's 49 cents. So it's very reasonable. If you're on a budget, just think you can mail out 100 postcards a week, 35 bucks. Okay, I have someone that's in the program, and it just shows you never know. It's all a numbers game. It's not about, you know, how many cards necessarily. I have a lady that just joined. She told me she mailed out 100 because she's on a budget. She mailed out 100 postcards last month. Okay, and she got her first sign up. So you just never know who's going to get your card on the other end. And she's been consistent. She's been in the program for a while, but she stuck with it. And she finally got her first sale. Okay? So it's about being consistent. Okay? So, real simple program. Now, what you'll do is you just go here and you click here. Okay? You can click here. And you can join, and you make sure it says Postcard Diva when you sign up, okay? You can dial this number, check it out, and listen to the pre-recorded message. This is the info line. This is the number that's going to be also on the postcard. So when someone receives the card, they can call this number and see if they're interested as well, all right? So again, $149 one time, no monthly fees. You cannot beat that to start a home-based business, okay? Especially if you don't want to speak to anyone. This is a perfect way to do it. If you know, like myself, I have some other business opportunities I'm a part of, but I don't mind speaking to people. That doesn't bother me, but I still mail out postcards, okay? I market online and I mail postcards, okay? Because there's a different audience offline, guys. You have to realize, believe it or not, there's still thousands and thousands of people out there that don't have a computer. They don't want to touch a computer. They don't even access a computer. They don't want to be bothered with a computer at all. So they're looking for a way to make some money from home. And if they get a postcard in the mail, they're going to check it out. Okay? And just to know they don't have to touch a computer, that really, that makes sense to them, you know, and they look forward to something like that. So it's a whole different audience offline. Okay? So that's why I still mail postcards. All right? So what I'm excited about today, though, I want to bring to you is Easy Profit 100. We have added a done-for-you marketing system. Okay? This is exciting, guys. Let me tell you why. I have a lady that's been in the program for a while. She's going to get started with this as well because it's a good way to do get fast track yourself, especially for the people that's been in the program a while, haven't got any sales. We have a team that's going to do the marketing for you. Okay, great way for some of my people that's joined me, never made a sale, you know, and you're struggling with that. Our done for you marketing system, okay, and let someone else do all the marketing for you, and you just collect the checks. Okay, so I'm excited about that. So if you've been in this program, reach out to me. Let me tell you about this done for you system that we've got. This is going to really jumpstart and kickstart a lot of people that's been stagnant. Okay, and if you're new and never joined Easy Profit and you're interested in Easy Profit 100, contact me. We have a special deal going on. Okay, if you take action right away, with this done for you system. So, and I want to bring that to you today. And I've got a testimony. We've got more coming. As I get more testimonies, I'm going to be bringing them to you guys so that you can see it's not just me and other people that's making money in this, but I want to show you testimonies of the done for you. All right, guys, I'm back. I don't know what part you heard. The Wi-Fi is kind of messing up here, but I have a testimony for the done for you system. Okay, and we're going to be bringing you more of these testimonies to show you the done for you system that we have for Easy Profit 100 is working for people. This is bringing people into the fast track. You have people that's been in the program that haven't been able to make any sales, but getting the done for you system is working. Okay, because you don't have to do any marketing. You just pay for the services and we get the sales for you with the done for you system. Okay, so I got a testimony and I'm going to be bringing these to you as more people come aboard. And there's more. I just wanted to bring a few, and I've got another person that just got in today that's been in the program, okay, with Easy Profit for 100, and she's super excited about getting the done for you system. She's been struggling with it. So if you've been struggling, hadn't made any sales, want to get on the fast track of Easy Profit 100, get our done for you system. So here's a testimony. I want you to check it out.
Good evening, Brian Walters here. I just want to share a quick message in regards to the Done For You Fast Track Marketing System for Easy Profit 100. The success that I've seen early on with the Fast Track Marketing System has actually helped me be able to take care of my everyday commitments that I have to take care of, as well as grow my Easy Profit 100 organization. So this is a great system. I love how it works, and I'm extremely grateful and thankful. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and God bless.
Whoa, hold on. Okay, it's recording. I'm losing my connection here, guys. Yeah, I think I lost the connection. Okay, so you saw one of the testimonies from one of the people that have already found success with the Done For You system. We have many more. I'm getting recordings from some of those folks so that we can let you guys know that this does work. Now, what you want to do is get in contact with me about this. We'll put my information below. But if you go ahead and join, when you click this join button right here, or the yellow button, anywhere that you click join, once you click join, make sure you're on my page, okay? Make sure you're on my page. So when you click join, you want to make sure, I'm going to show you right here, that it says sponsor Postcard Diva right there. Okay, just make sure that shows up. That way you're on my page, and I'll show you somewhere else you can make sure you're on my page. Okay, if you scroll all the way down Profit 100, and if you're interested in the Done For You system, let me know and for checking the videos, alright? Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. Click that notification button and subscribe to the channel. See you on the inside. Have a blessed day.